So this is week 3, video number 5. We're talking about policies and procedures now. We've moved on. So read the information on this screen, pause the video as necessary, and then we'll continue. Okay, read the information. So your policies need to support whatever mission statement and core values, and we touched on that last week, but we know what a mission statement is. So your policies may need to be changed or revised if they don't support your mission statement, if your mission statement got changed or revised during the strategic planning process. Procedures are basically step-by-step instructions on how to do something. Okay, if we have a policy for something, then all of our customers will be treated the same. Those are for external policies. And if we have internal policies, all of the staff will be treated the same. And you know, as a student here at the college in our class, you want me to have policies and you want me to enforce them equitably and fairly so that everybody gets the same rights, responsibilities, privileges, opportunities. It's fair, right? Policies make sure things are fair. So this slide is about me. So when I first started working, I worked at the Durham District School Board, Durham Catholic District School Board, and I managed the media collection. And that was back in the day when we had VHS videos. And we had a centralized collection that we loaned out to the schools. And I had a written policy and procedure that explained how materials were selected. And I made sure that that was approved by both boards of education, my supervisors. And I followed that policy and procedure when selecting materials for the collection. But I had some pretty significant challenges to some of the things that I bought, and it became a big issue in the newspapers beyond Durham into Toronto and across the province. And the challenge actually was by some parent groups, and it went to the board, and you know what the board is, the representatives of the community. It went to the board where I had to explain why we had these videos in our collection. And I explained how I had a policy and a procedure and how I'd followed it to select the materials. And as much as those parents wanted things removed from the collection, challenged them, they stayed. And the reason was because I had some policies and procedures that were fair, that were based on standards, standards in the library world, and nobody challenged my videos anymore. So what kind of policies and procedures might your organization have? Internal policies. So those are ones for your staff. These are what these are examples of. Okay. If you're not sure what any of these are, you can probably do a little bit of a Google, or you can just reach out to me and post a question and I'd be happy to answer it. Okay. We're also going to have some external policies again so that our clients, our customers, know that they're all being treated the same, and it also lets them know what our expectations are. Right? So client code of conduct. You often see that no shirt, no shoes, no service. There's a code of conduct, or a dress code even. Okay, so we have both kinds of policies. So what I want you to do is just reflect on what policies and procedures are and get a look at some policies and procedures. That's the goal of this activity. We might get a few minutes to do this in class. I'm going to pause here and you can read that screen, and then I'll go on to screen number 34 in our next video.